Hello everyone, who found it doing great. Welcome to another lecture, and this lecture we're going to discuss about what is wireless router and what is the purpose of wireless router and why we are using wireless router. Just give me 1 second, guys. I just want to have some an example in here as well. I just want to make sure that you, once you finish this course, you should not get confused. Look at this one. What is this, guys? Of course, this is wireless access point. Thank you, because there is only one Ethernet port. Appreciate it for those who answer this question. That is beautiful, and I love it for those who have full attention on this class. And what is this? We discussed about these things already. Exactly, this is wireless modem. You can be a witness of coaxial cable, and because the coaxial cable is it's modem, it comes with the analog signal, and then our modem need to transfer the analog signal to digital signal. All right, so now we're going to discuss about wireless router. I have Linksys EA6400. This is the router. Guys, this is the router. You can see that there is a USB port, which is USB version 3. When you see the color, if it is blue, mean that's USB version 3. And there is a reset button, the blue one. We're gonna configure this wireless router with more details. If you look at the blue color, this is local area network, and if you look at the yellow one is wide area network, which is called also either internet as well. I think this is the reset button. The red one is reset button. Yeah, whenever you grab any devices, you have to read properly to see which one is reset button and which one is for WEP. So this is a power adapter as well. All right, this is the 3 protocol of OSI model. Remember that we discussed about OSI model in the previous lecture, and I need you guys attention as well in here. Is very important. What is wireless router? All right, in here we can see wireless router are commonly found in homes as well. So in every home, guys, if you're using an internet at home, most of the time we can say that's a wireless router. Guess what? So you would say, well, before you say this wireless modem, but now you change the scenario. Now you say it's wireless router. So there, I can say it's 50-50. You either you're using wireless router or you're using wireless modem. So the reason which I say wireless modem, there are some internet service provider who run and provide internet for their clients, a coaxial cable. So if that modem accept the coaxial cable, and the internet service provider, that their technician will definitely tell you this is router or this is a modem. Whether you believe it or not, some of their technical people are not too much aware of these things. They said, well, this is wireless access point. Whether you believe it or not, there was a guy, he came in our house, and he configured a wireless modem, this one, and I asked him, what is that? He said wireless access point. I was like, we don't need wireless access point, we need wireless router, because I have a lot of things to connect with that one. Well, literally I found that's wireless router, that was wireless modem. But yes, so the main purpose of wireless router is once we receive an internet from internet service provider, and in here, so internet service provider, they say that, hey, here's the cable, so this cable has internet, do whatever you want to do. If you want to connect this one with access point, that is also beautiful. If you want to connect this um, cable to wireless modem, that's also good. And if you want to connect this cable to your wireless router, that is also fine. So what's gonna happen in here, you would see how they are connecting the wireless access point using our wireless modem. It's a good question. If you notice here, I told you that the gray portion of the wireless modem is accepting the we can say copper cable as well. The same thing with access point. You would say how we can use the access point. If you connect this one, if you connect the internet service provider copper cable to your wireless access point, what's going to happen is these are the experience. So the internet going to be not safe because there is no router in the middle, because there is no security, and you are using the internet service provider public IP, the DCP public IP. And I'm sure there will be a less chance for you to connect all devices using I mean, the internet service provider internet. Mostly they provide only one public IP. That's also dynamic host configuration protocol, or we can say DHCP. All right. If you look at the diagram, in our diagram, we discuss about either it's a DSL cable or fiber cable. Whether it's an Ethernet cable, fiber cable, coaxial cable, this is a router. The main purpose of router is to route, to translate, to it is a router does come with a NATing network address translation, translate our local area network IP to the public, and to the public the public internet translate to our local area network. It is an interpreter between two I can say it is an interpreter between two sources, the wide area network and local area network. In the middle we have a router as interpreter to allow the communication happen. That is a good way to put. All right, I don't want to guys eat up your time anymore. Let's dive into this wireless router, how we can configure this wireless router, and what are the most important things that we have to keep in our mind as a technical person, as a person who main focus is on a security as well. Let's dive into configuration with more detail.